Every new Leica Q camera sparks the same question: should you invest in the latest model, or is it smarter to wait for the next iteration? With the Q3 still fresh in the minds of photographers and content creators, the conversation has already shifted to the Leica Q4. Traditionally, Leica has followed a roughly 4-year release cycle for its Q series, but rapid advancements in imaging technology and increasing competition may shorten that timeline. Could we see the Leica Q4 arrive earlier than expected? If so, what innovations could it bring to push the boundaries of compact full-frame cameras? Since the original Q debuted in 2015, the series has consistently redefined what a compact full-frame camera can achieve. The first Leica Q combined a fixed 28mm Summilux lens with a full-frame sensor, delivering professional-quality imaging in a portable, elegantly designed body. It offered photographers a rare balance, the unmistakable Leica image quality, paired with a size and form factor that didn't compromise on usability. The Q2 built on that foundation, introducing a 47-megapixel sensor, enhanced weather sealing, and improved ergonomics. It became the benchmark for compact full-frame cameras, blending tradition and modern innovation seamlessly. The Q3 raised the bar even higher, incorporating a 60-megapixel BSI sensor, phase-detect autofocus, and video capabilities like 8K recording. Each iteration has pushed Leica deeper into a realm where compactness no longer means compromise. If the Q4 follows this trajectory, it won't simply continue the lineage, it could redefine the category entirely. Leica has traditionally favored incremental upgrades over radical redesigns, but expectations for the Leica Q4 are unusually high. Today's market demands more than premium build and optics. It requires performance, speed, and versatility that can compete with mirrorless systems and even high-end smartphones. Rumors suggest that Leica may introduce a stacked CMOS sensor in the Q4. Such a sensor would dramatically improve readout speed, dynamic range, and rolling shutter performance, placing the Q4 in direct competition with advanced mirrorless cameras from Sony, Canon, and Nikon. A stacked sensor could also enable faster, more accurate autofocus and enhanced video recording capabilities, bringing the Q series into a new era of hybrid performance. Autofocus is expected to be a major focus for the Q4. While the Q3 introduced Phase Detect AF, the next generation could bring AI-driven subject recognition, improved eye and animal tracking, and predictive autofocus algorithms that rival the best mirrorless systems. For a fixed-lens camera, reliable and fast autofocus is essential, ensuring the 28mm Summilux lens delivers maximum performance under any conditions. These improvements would make the Leica Q4 a powerful tool for street photographers, documentary shooters, and hybrid creators alike. Video capabilities are also likely to see substantial upgrades. The Q3 surprised many with its 8K recording, but the Q4 could refine this further with better thermal management, extended continuous recording, and higher frame rate options in 4K. This could make the Q4 a true hybrid, capable of delivering professional quality video alongside high-resolution stills. Leica's enhancements in this area could position the Leica Q4 as a competitor to compact cinema cameras and hybrid workhorses like the Sony FX3 or Canon EOS R5, broadening its appeal to creators who need versatility in a small form factor. Low-light performance is another area where the Q4 could shine. Leica's Summilux 28mm f1.7 ASPH lens is already excellent in dim conditions, but pairing it with a stacked sensor and improved processing could result in cleaner files at higher ISOs, richer shadows, and better color accuracy. These advancements would make the Leica Q4 suitable for a wide range of photography and filmmaking scenarios, from urban street scenes to controlled cinematic productions, where lighting is unpredictable. Design-wise, Leica tends to focus on subtle refinements rather than complete overhauls, and early leaks suggest the Q4 will continue this approach. Anticipated changes include a slightly lighter body, a more refined grip, and small adjustments to button placement, all intended to improve handling without sacrificing the minimalist aesthetics that define the Q series. The electronic viewfinder is also expected to receive an upgrade. The Q3's 5.76 million EVF was already impressive, but the Q4 could offer a resolution approaching 9.44 million dots with faster refresh rates, providing a more immersive and responsive viewing experience. The rear LCD may become fully articulating, a welcome improvement for vloggers and hybrid creators, alongside enhanced touchscreen responsiveness and menu customization based on user feedback from the Q3. Connectivity is another potential focus for the Leica Q4. faster wireless transfers, improved integration with Leica's Photos app, and enhanced tethering capabilities could make the camera a more seamless companion for both professional workflows and casual shooting. In an age where instant sharing is increasingly important, improved connectivity could help the Q4 stay competitive against rivals who emphasize quick and reliable content delivery. In-body image stabilization could also see meaningful improvement. The Q3 already features stabilization, but the Q4 might provide up to 8 stops of compensation. When paired with the Summilux lens, this would allow handheld shooting in challenging conditions, such as low light or slow shutter environments, unlocking creative possibilities previously limited by camera shake. These enhancements would reinforce the Leica Q4 as a highly versatile tool for both stills and motion work. Timing and price remain critical factors. Historically, Leica has followed a roughly 4-year release rhythm: Q, Q2, Q3. Following this pattern, the Q4 would be expected around 2027. However, industry insiders suggest that Leica may accelerate the release cycle in response to market pressure and rapidly advancing technology, potentially unveiling the Q4 as early as late 2026. Pricing is anticipated to remain in the premium range. The Q3 launched at approximately $5,995, and with the rumored enhancements in sensor technology, autofocus, video, and usability, the Q4 could surpass $6,500, potentially approaching $7,000 depending on market conditions. While expensive, Leica buyers are not just purchasing specs, they are investing in the brand's craftsmanship, reputation, and the unique shooting experience that comes with owning a Leica. The Leica Q4 could be more than just the next step in a beloved camera line. It might represent a pivotal moment for Leica, proving that the brand can innovate while remaining true to its heritage. If rumors hold true, the Q4 will combine a stacked sensor, AI-assisted autofocus, improved video functionality, enhanced ergonomics, and refined stabilization, positioning it as one of the most capable compact full-frame cameras ever produced. At the same time, Leica faces a highly competitive landscape. Sony, Canon, and Nikon are consistently releasing high-performance mirrorless cameras, and smartphones continue to encroach on areas that were once the exclusive domain of dedicated cameras. Leica must innovate quickly to maintain relevance in a market that increasingly demands speed, versatility, and seamless integration with modern workflows. In conclusion, the Leica Q4 promises to advance the Q series across multiple dimensions: sensor technology, autofocus performance, video capabilities, ergonomics, stabilization, and connectivity. The potential stacked sensor, AI-driven autofocus, higher resolution EVF, fully articulating display, enhanced in-body stabilization, and expanded video functionality could make it an incredibly versatile tool for both photographers and filmmakers. Pricing and release timing remain uncertain, but if Leica executes well, the Q4 could become a landmark camera, balancing tradition, innovation, and uncompromising image quality in a compact, full-frame body. As anticipation builds, photographers and creators alike are watching closely to see whether the Leica Q4 will deliver on its promise, further solidifying the Q series' reputation as a standard-bearer for premium compact full-frame cameras.